Hi everyone, welcome to G Street Fabrics in Rockville, Maryland. I'm Saba Shabaka, the creative director and class instructor here. And today I'm telling you all about our amazing sewing classes that we're offering here starting July 1st. We have in-person sewing classes designed to teach people how to sew for the first time and to be a refresher for any sewers that have experience already. So let's dive in. Intro to Sewing. First up, we have Intro to Sewing. We have this class every Saturday at 3 p.m. as well as every first Monday and Tuesday of each month at 6 p.m. This introductory class is designed for any first-time sewers or anyone looking for a refresher, allowing them to easily step right back into understanding everything that has to do with sewing. In this class, you'll be provided a brand new Bernina 335 sewing machine, but you can also bring your sewing machine from home if you'd like. Our expert instructors will teach you the fundamentals of sewing, starting with all of the supplies that you need to get started, going through the safety precautions, talking about how to thread your machine, and also teaching you the basic stitch types, both straight and zigzag. This class is offered every Saturday at 3 p.m. and the class fee is $39. In our Intro to Sewing class, the small class sizes ensure that you'll be able to ask any questions that you have to our instructors, and you'll be able to take home a guide that has a recap of everything that we talked about during the class for reference. Beyond the Basics classes. Are you ready to take your sewing skills to the next level? Our Beyond the Basics classes are just what you need. Offered on Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday afternoons, these 60-minute sessions are just what you need to strengthen your sewing skills. We cover a variety of different sewing skills on a monthly basis, so make sure to check the class calendar to figure out which of these classes fit best for you. Now I'll be going into the different classes we'll be offering. Basic Stitches and Seams. In our Basic Stitches and Seams course, you'll be learning the fundamentals of how to hand and machine sew. You'll be learning about the fundamental machine stitches such as the straight stitch, the zigzag stitch, and the back stitch, so that by the end of this course, you'll be able to finish all of your projects with the correct type of seam. Hemming techniques. Join us for our Hemming Techniques 101 course, where you'll learn all about the various techniques to finish your projects and the various uses for each of the finishing techniques. In hemming, we'll be going over the blind hem, the double fold hem, and more. Sewing buttons and zippers. In our Sewing Buttons and Zippers class, you'll be learning about the fundamentals of attaching these essential fastening components. We'll be teaching you how to hand sew buttons onto projects and use the sewing machine to attach all types of zippers. Understanding patterns. In our Understanding Patterns class, we'll be demystifying pattern instructions, symbols, and terminology. By the end of this class, you'll be able to understand patterns, understand sizes, how to make adjustments, and how to use any pattern to create the project that you dream of. Analyzing Fabrics and Fibers. In our Analyzing Fabrics and Fibers class, you'll be learning all about the different components in both natural and synthetic fibers. You'll be learning about what material is best for which products and which combinations of materials go best together. Project demonstrations. We also offer a class that allows you to come into the sewing instruction room and work on a project with our expert instructor. This allows you to see how the project is made from beginning to end, from selecting the type of fabric in the correct section of the store to cutting the fabric using rotary cutters and a sewing mat, sewing the project with our Bernina 335 machine, and finishing the project with our assortment of different notions and finishes at the store. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to increase your sewing skills, G Street Fabrics has the perfect sewing class for you. Make sure to check out our website, gstreetfabrics.com, and look for the Sewing tab and click In-Person Classes to see the schedule of classes for all of the different sessions that I just noted. We'll be having 4 weekly sessions for you to take advantage of starting this summer, July 1st, and going on throughout the rest of the year. If you have any questions, make sure to contact me, Saba, at gstreetfabrics.com. Now I'll be explaining how to sign up for the class that you want on Eventbrite under G Street Fabrics. First, you'll open up your web browser and go to eventbrite.com. Once you've reached the website, you can choose to make an account or continue to check out as a guest. In the search bar, type in G Street Fabrics. You should see two types of classes pop up towards the top of the list. One will be our Intro to Sewing class, which is our weekly introductory course, and the next will be our Beyond the Basics classes, which is a series of different sewing classes that we offer. Depending on which class you're looking for, you'll be guided to that class's description page with more information on what you'll be learning and when it's offered. Once you've gotten to the class detail page, you can find out more information about the class, like when it's offered, how much it is, and who the instructor is. For our Intro to Sewing class, the class fee is $39, and it is offered every Saturday at 3 p.m. It is also offered the first Monday and Tuesday of each month at 6 p.m. For our Beyond the Basics classes, it is offered each Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday afternoon. To register for the class, you will select the date and time that you want to take the class. After you select that, you'll select the number of tickets that you want. If it's just for yourself, you can get one, and if you want to get it for yourself and a friend, you can get 2 or more. Once you've added these tickets to your cart, you can check out. You'll complete the registration by filling out some basic information such as your name, phone number, and email address. Then it will take you to the payment information. After you've entered in all of your payment information, you can click submit, and then you'll be sent the confirmation with all of your class information for reference. It'll have the date, time, and the location right here at G Street Fabrics in Rockville for you to reference coming up to the day of your class. If you have any questions about the process of signing up for any of these classes or about which classes are available, feel free to email me, Saba, and my email address is saba@gstreetfabrics.com. We hope to see you in class soon and look forward to helping you along your sewing journey. Make sure to visit us in person at G Street Fabrics in Rockville, Maryland, or check us out online at gstreetfabrics.com. See you soon.